Hey, ever wondered how people get all their work done and you're just like staring at the wall? Yeah, same. But here's the thing, getting stuff done is actually pretty easy. You just need to know how your brain works. And today, I'm gonna show you how. Here's the secret. Productivity is not about working hard. It's all about working smarter. And your brain works in a cycle. You get motivated, therefore you work harder. You finish something, therefore you feel good. You feel good, so therefore that makes you want to do more. And that's it. When this loop starts, keeps on going. Have you ever noticed how you procrastinate for weeks? The moment before a deadline is super close, you suddenly become a productivity machine. And that's this cycle working at turbo speed. Make a to-do list, but do it right. Don't just write homework or work. Break it down into smaller steps. Write something like math homework, or write a paragraph. Every time you check something off, your brain is going to be like, wow, let's do more. Trick yourself into starting. No motivation. Don't wait for it. Just do one tiny task. Even 1 minute of work is enough to start the cycle. Once you start, you probably won't stop. If last-minute pressure makes you productive, create a fake deadline. Set a timer and challenge yourself to beat the clock. Hide your distraction, your phone. Put it in another room, not just on silent. Physically hiding it is way harder to scroll TikTok when you have to get your phone first. Feeling stuck? Go on a short walk. It will clear your mind and help you refocus. Or changing where you sit. Even facing a different direction can help. Students at major universities study for 40+ hours a week. And do you think they like doing it? No, they don't. They don't think, I have to do this. They think, I just have to do this one thing. Before you know it, they finished a ton of work. Next time when you feel unmotivated, don't wait for motivation. Start working, and motivation will come. Pick one tiny task. Do it for 1 minute, and that's it. And let me know down in the comments if that helped. If this helped you out, please like and subscribe for more.